Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art lab. I am working on a 24-inch round MDF panel, and I have it up on my EricaHughes spinner, and I'm going to do a cloudy straight pour today. I challenge my Patreon group, Nate's Art Lab, with a different technique every month. Sometimes it's a color palette challenge, sometimes it's a specific technique. This month I challenged them to do a cloud pour, so stick around for the end of this video. I'll show you some photos of their work that they did this month. And there's also a bit of a premiere train on Sunday the 15th. This is for the Patreon members who also have YouTube channels, so make sure you check them out, give them some love, give them a subscribe, all of those kinds of things. So I'm going to layer my measuring cup here. I like to pour a straight pour with something that has a little bit of a lip. So it really gives me some great fingerlings and gives me some extra control, I feel like, especially when I get down to the end. So I'm going to keep an eye on this and make sure I don't go much above the 2-cup mark. This a 24 by 24 inch square canvas needs about 20 ounces of paint. But because this is round, it's going to use a little bit less. And I'm also going to put down a puddle to pour into, so it'll help it spread out a little bit further. So I can get away with, I think, somewhere between 16 and 18 ounces of paint. So I will tell you my colors. I am working with blues for my cool colors and some metallics for my warm colors. So this is a custom mix of Charvin Indigo, Amsterdam Lamp Black, and Prussian Blue. So this should be a really smoky blue, very dark, especially when it mixes with this cloud mix. I wanted this to be really extra smoky. And then I have some, this is Liquitex, Amsterdam Grayish Blue. This is DecoArt Iridescent Pale Gold and Iridescent Copper. And for my puddle, I have some leftover paints that are this lovely light blue color. If I get some cells that pop up with this color, I would be okay with that because I think it's kind of gorgeous with this color palette. And my cloud mix is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part DecoArt Satin Enamel, and 1 part Chromacryl Acrylic White. You could also use Artist Loft Soft Body White, and you could also, instead of the DecoArt Satin Enamels, you could use Vallejo Pearl Medium. I don't have any Vallejo Pearl Medium, and I only have a little bit of the Satin Enamels left, so I'm hoping I mixed in enough. I'm being very cautious with how much I have left, because I love cloud and pearl pours, and so I wanted to make sure I had enough. So I am going to layer my cup first. What color do I want to start with? I think I want this gorgeous grayish blue to come out last. And I'm just going to pour enough to cover the bottom of my cup. And then I'm going to put this deep smoky color on top of that. All of my paints have been mixed to a consistency that leaves a 3-second trace. It does leave a mound on a mound. And it's drizzled off with a stir stick. Okay, we're going to put a nice healthy layer of this cloud mix in. Lots and lots. And then we're going to put in the copper on top of that. Again, a nice healthy layer. And then the gold directly on top of that. And then we're going to go back in with this dark, custom dark color. And then the gray color. Let's see where we're at. Oh, we're almost at 16 ounces. Okay, so we're going to put another healthy layer of cloud mix here. And then I think a little bit of copper. gold. And we're going to use up the last of that darkest color. It's a good 20 ounces. Okay. Best intentions. Oh well. So beautiful layered cup. I love this color palette. Wonderful. Okay, so we're just going to pour about, I've got about 13 ounces of this base coat color, and we'll use about half of it here. And we're going to spin that out so that all the air bubbles rise up very quickly. Just a thin layer there. And I have plenty left. I can add a flow extender around it if I need to. We're going to pop our air bubbles first. This is just table scrapings and leftover colors, and it's much thinner consistency than the rest of my paints, which is just fine because its only job is to help the other colors flow out. So I can't talk and paint at the same, or pour at the same time. So I'm going to put some music on for you while I play.
You like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Seems like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine.
And it dried beautifully. I'm really happy with this piece. I hope you like it too. I love that central hurricane and the swirl. Oh, it's so pretty. And the details up in here, you can see the bling from the gold and the copper. Yeah, it dried beautifully. It's gonna look fantastic with a coat of resin when I get it on there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it inspired you to try something new or revisit an old technique that you haven't tried in a while. Coming up right after my voice is gonna be some pictures from my Art Lab members, my Patreons, who don't have YouTube channels, so I'm sharing their art here. And then there's a playlist in the video description that has the videos from my Art Lab members who do have YouTube channels. I hope you check those out too. So thank you very much for watching and go mix up some paints and be fearless.